Hi, everyone. My name is Beth Pratt, and this is my logo identity for the Paper Mill Lounge and Theater. The vision of the Paper Mill Lounge and Theater is to bring the feel of a New Orleans social club to Sylva, North Carolina. They blend handcrafted cocktails and an exciting French theater to highlight the best of our region. The Paper Mill focuses on providing a safe, comfortable environment and strives to create a warm, welcoming place for everyone. Top-notch service helps finish out this well-executed plan. This is the original logo for the Paper Mill Lounge. The name Paper Mill Lounge and Theater is inspired by the local paper mill in Sylva. However, when Craig went to create his logo, he wanted to steer clear of imagery associated with the actual paper mill for obvious reasons. He wanted something playful and memorable. And when he originally started the bar, his complete vision had not really been established for the venue yet. So the font and paper folded hat suited the fun and artsy vibe he was going for at the time. Now, I believe the logo has begun to establish the brand in a very memorable way, especially the little paper hat. As I considered what would be the next step in the evolution of the logo, I think the important image we would want to create is a more refined one. Because we're trying to appeal to women, we would want to have the logos that are elegant and demonstrate the type of environment the lounge provides. I think that the paper hat is a component that must be kept. It is already an established part of the brand identity, and it is a common thread for all of the marketing material, and I think it should continue with that. Okay, so here are some of the new concepts that I've been kind of working on for the for the logo. I want to refine the font. I want to create a simplified logo for merchandise. I'd like to work with trying to focus more on the ideal customer imagery. And I'd like to highlight the theater and entertainment aspect of the venue. Okay, so this is the original and current font. It's nice. However, I think it can be seen as a little arts and crafts looking. As time has gone on, I think the image of the paper mill has come into focus. And really, what we're going for now is a more elegant and classic venue. As such, I would update the font. I was thinking about sort of classic movies in theaters and thought it would be neat to emulate the old MGM type font. The closest one I could find is the Imprint MT Shadow font. I think it works pretty nicely and has a more refined look than the original font. So in the future fonts that I'm doing here, they all are using that particular font. So here's my idea for the simplified logo. As part of refining and simplifying the image of the Paper Mill Lounge, I think that using the new font and using PML instead of always writing out the whole name of the lounge, because really that's a mouthful, Paper Mill Lounge and Theater, would simplify the logo for things like, say, hats or little shirts. Because the paper hat is still there and the logo has had a year to be associated with the lounge, I think it's possible to only use the initials without losing the identity. Our ideal customer, we figured out is a female. She's between 39 and 59, and she's drawn to the paper mill's custom handcrafted cocktails. I thought developing a few logos aimed at advertising the fact that we have such fabulous cocktails would be a smart way to go about it. I think these turned out, beautiful and elegant, like the lounge and the brand. I think any woman would look at these and feel like that's the kind of place she would want to go and have a drink. Okay, a big part of what sets the paper mill apart from other venues is its focus on the arts. I thought creating a few logos that would highlight the theater and music would be a benefit to the lounge, as this element is important to the ideal customer as well as a significant element that is specifically unique to this venue. A lot of local places do music, but not any do like live theater, live radio broadcast, fun stuff like that. And having a few options that advertise that might be nice to put on, different flyers for special events. And I like the way they turned out. I think they're cute. I particularly like the drama faces in the middle. I think that would be a really good one for a t-shirt or really about anything. Okay, so I believe the paper mill has gone a long way to establishing its brand already. However, with some tweaking and refining, we can take the branding to another level. And this level, it will be focused on, focused and directed towards our ideal customer. Well, that's it. Thank you very much.